The last few years weren't kind to Bitcoin as it faced a severe bear market. But now, the good news is that undeniable evidence shows Bitcoin's bear market is finally over. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In this video, and you heard that right, the Bitcoin bear market is officially over. And don't worry, I have undeniable evidence to prove it. No more sleepless nights and agonizing over the depressing state of the cryptocurrency market. It's time to rejoice and celebrate the imminent comeback of our beloved Bitcoin. So if you're ready, without further ado, let's go! Panic. Ah yes, the feeling of fear, the adrenaline rush, the clammy hands, the sleepless nights. With the cryptocurrency market providing a similarly thrilling experience, who needs roller coasters at amusement parks? So, what's causing this generalized fear now? Investors seem to be panicking and selling up their holdings quickly, since panic is, of course, the most sensible response in unpredictable circumstances. Of course, ICOs aren't the only thing that causes this fear. No, it's spreading quickly enough to affect even the powerful Bitcoin. But hey, let's not forget about the bearish sentiment that has been looming over the market for quite some time now. Bulls, it's time to step aside and let the bears have their moment in the spotlight. It's a brutal world out there. The bulls may have been waiting for their rally since June, but the bears are showing no mercy. They are flexing their muscles and reminding everyone who is in charge. And speaking of overvalued cryptocurrencies, well, let's just say the market has been a little too generous with its valuations. We've had over 1,800 coins floating around with no real purpose other than to clutter up the digital space. But hey, at least now we're getting a reality check. It's like Marie Kondo came to the crypto world and said, "Does this coin spark joy? No? Then toss it out." Market carnage. Next, and oh boy, let's talk about the market carnage that went down during this bearish phase. Major contenders like Ripple, Litecoin, EOS, and Cardano were not spared from the bloodshed. It looked like a battlefield out there, with prices dropping faster than a hot potato in a game of hot potato. The CEO of digital currency group, Barry Silbert, took to Twitter to conduct a poll, seeking the opinion of the crypto community on whether the turmoil has subsided. To everyone's astonishment, out of the 19,871 participants, a staggering 73% expressed the view that the upheaval is far from over. However, Tom Lee, the analyst from Fundstrat, suggests an intriguing perspective, labeling this overwhelming sentiment as a potential contrarian indicator. According to him, the majority's pessimism might signal that we've reached a low point and are poised for an upward trend. Well, only time will unveil the true trajectory, won't it? Let's now discuss hope. Yes, there is still hope in the air, people. It is similar to the sensation you have after a strong storm when you see a rainbow. We might be out of the woods as long as the price of Bitcoin maintains over this year's lows, $5,791, according to ThinkCoin principal analyst Naeem Aslam. He also mentioned that there is a good chance that the bull run would continue because Bitcoin broke above $6,298 on August 14. Wow, isn't it like a breath of fresh air? But hey, let's not get too carried away. After all, we've seen some serious market carnage, and it's not a picnic. As Spencer Bogart from Blockchain Capital LLC said, investors are feeling disillusioned with tokens and ICOs. It's like they were on a magic carpet ride, and now they've crash-landed. But fear not, my dear readers, because Bitcoin and a few others like Litecoin, Monero, and EOS might just survive the storm. And the rest? Well, they might just fade away like fidget spinners and low-rise jeans. The Indomitable Futures Interaction Argument. So, amidst all the chaos and panic in the bear market, there's this fascinating argument called the Indomitable Futures Interaction. Sounds like something straight out of a movie, right? Well, it's not as thrilling as that, but it does have some interesting points to consider. This argument says that the effects of the current state of the market won't become apparent right now. It resembles an impending story twist. Will the market recover? Will it crash with more force? This argument holds that until the future arrives, we will remain in the dark. It serves as a reminder that there are always shocks and unexpected turns in the world of cryptocurrencies. The market has a curious way of disproving your theories, even if you believe you have everything figured out. So fasten your seatbelts, people, because we're going to that later time. And you never know what type of story twist will be revealed there. Divinatory practices. Next in line are divinatory practices. As if understanding the constantly shifting cryptocurrency landscape wasn't difficult enough, analysts are now using divination techniques to decipher the market signals. In an attempt to forecast the future of Bitcoin and other digital assets, it appears that everyone is consulting their crystal balls and tarot cards. One such practice hails from the prestigious Yale University, where researchers have proposed a system to assess the risk-return trade-off of major cryptocurrencies. They claim to have identified a strong time series momentum effect among Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. So, not only can you rely on fancy charts and technical analysis, but now you have the power of ancient mystical forces backing it up. But wait, folks, that's not all. Tom Lee, a well-known personality in the cryptocurrency sector, created his own contrarian index, which he claims tracks market emotion and serves as a clever investor's secret weapon. You will, therefore, quickly become wealthy from cryptocurrency if you simply follow Tom Lee's contrarian index and disregard economic indications and reasonable thinking. But let's not forget that these divinatory practices also take into account the correlation between price and investor attention. They analyze social media trends and search engine data to gauge the public's interest in specific cryptocurrencies. So, if you want to make an educated investment decision, start scrolling through your Twitter feed or checking Google Trends. The evidence is undeniable. The Bitcoin bear market is officially over. Sure, we've had our fair share of panic, despair, and disillusionment, but that's just part of the roller coaster ride called cryptocurrency. It's time to put on our optimistic hats and embrace the future with open arms. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for the next exhilarating chapter in the world of Bitcoin. The bear market may be over, but the adventure is just beginning. That's everything. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. We would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.